Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka right here on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是林澤少。And it's time for talking about practical things, everyday life stuff. And this month we're talking about hobbies, interests. Why don't we focus on outdoor activities? So let's teach people how to say, for instance, hiking. 很多人喜欢爬山哦。上个礼拜天我去爬山。
真的吗？
没有。
OK。
但很多朋友有去。
好，来就这句好了。
好。
松澤禮拜日。
松澤禮拜日 That means last Sunday.
我去喀山。
我去喀山。
那海陸腔爬山。喀山。
喀山。Oh, Kisan, that's a different dialect for hiking or climbing a mountain, okay? Or maybe you want to go play ball tomorrow. For instance, a lot of people like to play golf now. 现在很多人喜欢打高尔夫球啊，对不对？所以可能可以说明天呢，我要去打高尔夫球。
天公日。
天公日 That means tomorrow.
我愛去。
我愛去 I am going to.
打高爾夫球。
打高爾夫球。
对。
高爾夫就是高爾夫了哈。
对啦。
就像日文那样子哦。
对对对。
Oh, like in Japanese they call it 高爾夫. In Mandarin it's 高爾夫. And in Hakka it's
高爾夫球。
高爾夫球 Q is the ball 小白球。
对。
All right. 我还有很多朋友最近很喜欢去冲浪。其实我很羡慕很会冲浪的那些男生。
好凉爽。
对对对对。So I'm gonna pretend that on Friday I'm gonna go surfing. 我礼拜五要去冲浪哦。拜五 That means Friday.
我愛去。
我愛去 I'm going to.
衝浪。
衝浪 Oh, that's surfing. All right. Let's go ahead and review these phrases. Last Sunday, I went hiking. 上个礼拜天呢，我去爬山。
松澤禮拜日。
松澤禮拜日。
我去喀山。
我去喀山 All right. Or tomorrow, I'm gonna go play golf. 明天呢，我要去打高爾夫球。
天公日。
天公日。
我愛去。
我愛去。
打高爾夫球。
打高爾夫球 All right. And finally, Friday, I'm gonna go surfing. 禮拜五呢，我要去衝浪。拜五。
我愛去。
我愛去。
衝浪。
衝浪 There you have it. Things to do on the weekends and have a great time with your time off. And that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
師母大家。
俺只 say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.